American Indians, they need the land. The gold.
Alright, so let's say the American Indians and explorers. What did they do? We said they traded.
No fight.
They fought.
And they want to go. They want land. Land.
Alright, so the American Indians and explorers traded, fought, and they talked about land. That's what happened in this activity.
The explorers did that land. So hard.
Alright, next question. How did you feel when you were an explorer? Raise your hand. How did you feel? What was easy about being an explorer? What was hard about being an explorer? Abdullah, why was it hard?
They explore something like a gold and then a land.
Yeah.
And when they found the gold, they take it to the land.
Okay. So why was it hard for them?
They do about war.
Okay.
When the American, that means the American.
What should you do if you have an idea? Thank you. Abdullah wasn't finished yet. So it's hard work to explore?
Yeah.
So how did you feel? Happy, sad, scared, tired? Tired? Okay. So you could say you felt tired. It was hard work. Kevin, did you have an idea?
Me?
How did you feel when you were an explorer?
Happy
Why?
because I take the land for American Indian.
Okay, you felt happy about that?
Yeah. I have more power.
Alright, you felt powerful.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Anyone else? How do we feel as explorers? Happy, powerful, tired?
Powerful.
Okay, powerful is a big one. Noah,
I'll be sad.
you were sad as an explorer?
Yeah, because I don't take the gold.
Because you didn't get gold?
Yeah. And they take our land.
That's an American Indian, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're still talking about when you were an explorer. How did you feel when you were an explorer?
Sad.
You were sad as an explorer too? Why?
Because they take our land.
So that's when you were an American Indian.
Yeah.
We're almost there. We're almost there. All right. Any other ideas about explore? How you felt then?
Sad. Maybe.
Happy? Why happy?
Because
Dog
we make land.
Because you got to take land?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, so we'll move on to American Indian. So Nawaf said he felt sad because they took your land away?
Yeah.
Okay.
And they don't give me gold.
And they didn't give you anything for it? Okay, that makes sense.
Regret.
All right, so Nawaf felt sad because they lost land and didn't get gold. When he was an American Indian, the explorers took his land, but they didn't give him anything. How else did you feel as an American Indian? Sad, happy, American Indians got new land?
No. Get gold? No.
Did they get gold when we acted it out?
No, solid. Trade.
Did they trade? When we were up here, did we trade?
No, they killed the buffalo.
When we were acting it out, did we kill a buffalo?
No. Fighting?
You felt happy about fighting?
I miss. No.
How did you feel about when there was fighting?
And tired. Because when you
Okay, so sad about fighting. Laura? As an American Indian, how did you feel? Guys, stop. Not funny.
Never mind.
You don't want to share? Alright, Kevin.
I said
Why?
because they hear my son.
Did that happen when we were acting it out?
No.
That could have happened for real, but not when we were acting it out. Alright, next, we'll just move on. After this activity, do you think the explorers and the American Indians became friends, or do you think they had conflicts and they had fights?
They have fight.
What do you think actually happened? Raise your hand if you think they actually fought. They were fighting when they first met. Raise your hand if you think there was fighting between American Indians and European explorers. Raise your hand if you think they became friends. Okay, could be both. We'll write fighting on the board, since most of us thought that.
They fighting. Miss, when we go to lunch, I'm so hungry.
Alright, so here it says, I think the American Indians and explorers fought. Because why? Why do you think they fought? What were the reasons they were fighting?
Because the American Indians told them you can't take the land because this is for us.
Okay, so they're fighting about the land?
Yeah.
What else, Abdelrahman? Same thing? That's what you're going to say, the land? What else could they fight about?
Because they has gold.
Maybe they were fighting about gold?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Alright, then our next question. What did you learn from pretending to be an American Indian and an explorer? It says, after this activity, I understand. What's something you know now about how they interacted? Do you have any new ideas?
No. I got it.
Go ahead, Ken.
The American Indian and the explorer fight.
Okay. They may have fought, and why did they fight?
For land.
Okay, good. Alright, next, after this activity, I still wonder, what is a question you have still about what happened with American Indians and European explorers? Villa?
Why the American Indian said?
Why were the American Indians sad?
Yes.
Okay. What other questions? Abdullah, come on.
Why explore need they need land?
Why did the explorers need land?
For
Okay.
powerful?
Any other questions? Go ahead, Abdullah.
Why the explorers don't have gold?
Okay. Alright, so copy these down, add any other questions you have. Why didn't the explorers have gold? Why did they need land? Why were the American Indians sad? You were an American Indian today. Think about that. Why were you sad then?
Because they did the land.
Okay.
Because they didn't give us land. I know.
Alright, the last question is just for you. Would you want to do this activity again? So you say yes, maybe, or no. Don't tell me, just circle it.
No.
Yes, maybe, or no.
Yes.
Circle it.
Yes.
Okay, and then make sure your name is at the top of the paper because I'm going to collect these. We have about 2 minutes until lunch.